Spring has sprung and I am ready to go and do my best, do the damage. I want to summer like I've never summered before. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to get this Fenty Eaze Drops. It's the new like skin tint that they have. Normally I wouldn't really be excited about a drop like this, but because summer is coming and I want to summer like I've never summered before, I need to go and get this. So we're gonna go all the way to Sephora right now and I'm gonna go buy it. It is Friday the 26th of March, meaning that it just dropped and they should have my shade in stock in Canada. Amen. Everybody say amen. Amen. Thank you. I'll catch you all when I get to Sephora. Toodles!
If I love you, now my case, oh baby, come make it relate, if I want you, I go wait,
You guys, we're here at the promised land. I'm so excited. Ooh. So this is the whole range. They got everything, y'all. I'm so excited. See, I think I am 22. No, I think I'm between 21. This is 21 here and 22 there. So someone's going to come and help me figure it out. Sorry, I'm definitely in your way. Okay, so she's just helping me test out 21 and 22. 21 is more neutral and then 22 is a warm one. That does look nice. Camera's not picking up properly, but it does look nice.
That's 21.
That's 21, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it definitely looks more neutral.
And
yeah, that's too red.
too red.
Too red.
Wait.
It's not picking it up how I want it to pick up, but yeah. I feel like I'm right in between them. Okay, so this is, we got 21 here, 22, and then 20 is just back there. So there is a big jump in the colors, but it's supposed to be usable, right?
Yeah.
So we're supposed to blend it in and figure it out that way, but we'll see. Hi friends, welcome back. So obviously I'm back home now and baby, I got it. I got the Fenty Eaze Drops. It's the new product. Come on, focus, focus. I got the new Fenty in. It's the Eaze Drops, so like the skin tint. The reason why I got this is because, like I said earlier, like I never really wear makeup during summer because it's just like it gets all icky and I get sweaty and I don't like it. And foundation is just too heavy, but then the concealer look doesn't always slap. So I just said, wow, this is exactly what I've been looking for. So I'm super, super excited to try this. I'm gonna put my hair back, take off my glasses, and let's get into this review. Anyways, if you like this video, you know, all that good stuff, like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that. Like, just run it up, run it up, run it up. Anyways, let's get into the video. So my typical shades in Fenty is the 450 or 460. Now there isn't a shade in between and I feel like I am like a shade in between. So I feel like I'm 455, but they don't have that shade, which is really annoying, but I make it work. So in summer I typically wear like 460 and then during winter weathers and cold weathers I wear 450, but that's why I was a bit confused on which one to get. But I ended up going with shade 21 because shade 22 was too warm. I'll insert a clip here of when I was in Sephora. It might be a bit discolored, but I'll try and like change it. But if you can see, like the shade difference is a big jump, like in terms of not the depth of the shade but the warmness, like the undertone of the shade. It's a big jump. I sometimes have cool shade as cool like undertone, or I have a warmer, slightly warmer undertone, but it all just really depends. But we're gonna see. This claims to, you know, deliver smooth, instantly blurred skin in just a few easy drops. You can apply it with your fingers or you can apply it with a brush. I'm going to use a brush today because I don't like applying makeup with my fingers and it's not my bag. But yeah, you're supposed to give it a good shake and then apply it with just a few easy drops. I don't have the Fenty brush because it's definitely $45, which is like £30, like no, Canadian dollars that is. But I'm gonna use this brush from Mix and Blend Beauty, which has a similar style like to the Fenty brush. It's got like a packed top. It's kind of small but really fluffy as well. Like it's a very interesting brush. That's what I'm gonna use today to apply it. So I brought you guys in a little bit so you can see like my skin texture. Let me take off my glasses. I have done my whole skincare routine. So my face is got like my serums, it's cleansed, it's got my moisturizer, my SPF, so my face is completely ready to go. Because it did say it's good to wear it with, you know, your skincare routine and primer. So I'm going to prime as well. So as you can see, Maskne has not been a friend of mine. during this time of the coronavirus, you know. So I have a few marks here which I want this to cover, and then I have some, like, my pores are very visible, like right here, so I want that to blur it. I'm gonna give it a real good shot and use my Becca Ever Matte Paulus Perfecting Primer. Now, I have combination to oily skin, so my normal face, like all around here, everything does not get oily. Literally right here on my nose and just in the center of my head gets oily. Because I don't believe this has a matte finish, it doesn't actually say anything about the finish. Interesting. Light to medium coverage, calm. I said what I was expecting, blends and blurs. So it doesn't say anything about the finish. Let me check online. A hydrating diffused effects. I don't really know what that's supposed to mean. It's a bit vague, but it's okay. I'm gonna use my Becca Ever Matte Paulus Perfecting Primer because that always works well with any foundation, hydrating or not, especially on my skin that is not too oily, but it does have some oil. So I'm gonna use my fingers to apply that on my nose, and I'm gonna like kind of skip the parts where I can see my pores, and I'm going to see how the foundation works with that. But I just need to cover my nose and on my forehead. Like, by the way, it's a squeezy bottle, which is perfect, so you can actually squeeze the drops, which is amazing. Give it a good shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, that's good. So it comes like this. It is kind of little, but I mean, in comparison to like normal BB creams and skin tints, it is fine. So this is how it applies. It is kind of like runny, but it's not too bad. I don't know about this color now. Oh my god, I don't know. I don't know, I feel like I've got the wrong color. I don't know. Okay, let's just give it a shot. That's not the right color. I'm fuming. Okay, hold on. Actually, it has blended really nicely into my skin. I feel like for summer, I'm gonna need to get another shade. My skin does look blurred. Baby, so this is the problem, right? The shade, I'm gonna hope that it oxidizes because the shade next to this is too warm for my skin. I just know it. Like, shade 22 is too warm, so I can't go and get shade 22. Like, it's just not gonna do it. What, you guys? Fenty, what are you doing? You guys, look at my skin. Look at this. And then look at this side. Does it not look blurred? Hello? I'm talking to you guys. Hello? Answer me. Does it not look blurred? Okay, I'm definitely using a little bit more than a few drops like it said, because I don't know why I'm doing that actually. I'm just doing it. Force a habit, right? But I do have a big face. I do know that. So I always do use extra of everything. Like, even when I'm applying foundation, I use more than just like 2 whole pumps because I got a big face. That is nice though. That's nice. I don't typically apply foundation directly underneath my face, but because it is quite underneath my eye, sorry, but because it is quite light, as in light to medium coverage, it is. You guys, look at my skin. That is beautiful. Fentina. Fenty, honey. You might have just did something. So it is definitely not giving foundation. Like, the moment you cancel that from your mind, I think you'll be at peace, because it is not giving foundation. It's giving my skin improved. Like, this is what the filter does on my face. Like, whenever I use a filter on Instagram or something like that on my stories, like, this is what it does. It just smooths the face. Definitely a matte finish. I don't see a dew. I don't have a dew on my face right now. Like, it's not dewy. You would know when a foundation is dewy, but it's definitely not dewy. But ooh, I can see why they said what's it called, shake well, because when I poured it out on my hand, there was like a little bit of separation. I can see, so I didn't shake it well enough, but it was good, and it has definitely oxidized. I'm happy with this. Okay, let me think what I would wear in summer. In summer, I would still want to bronze my face. I'm going to take my matchstick, my Fenty Beauty matchstick in shade Espresso. I'm going to just use that to bronze my face. This doesn't really contour me anymore. I need to get a shade down. I don't know what the shade down is, but this just definitely does add warmth to my face. I'm going to do that lightly. And then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer in shade 430. I was supposed to get another one when I went to Sephora today, but I just totally forgot. I'm just going to use that, the remaining that I do have, and just conceal under my eyes, because this is about to be a look. You guys, Fenty know what they're doing. I know what I see. I just want to know if you see what I see. I love it because it's easy. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm not wearing anything. I literally feel like I put on cream. It is not like, I'm going to keep on repeating this, it's not foundation. So if you go and buy this based on my recommendation and you're like, Deborah, I don't like this, hello, you need to understand it's not foundation. It is just like to cover up and to blur, which is exactly what it's done. If Auntie Pat didn't already have it, okay, it's similar to the Auntie Pat, just that Auntie Pat has slightly more coverage than it. But this is what the Auntie Pat does for me. Auntie Pat, like Pat McGrath, I mean. This is what Auntie Pat does for me. Basically, it just covers, but it doesn't do that blurring effect. It doesn't do that blurring effect. So this has the blurring effect, which I like. Yeah, that's a great comparison. Okay, so in England, it's £21.25. So it's a third of the price of the Pat McGrath. So if you're looking for something similar to the Pat McGrath, I think this is very similar in terms of the coverage that it will give you, because Auntie Pat does not give, wow, my edges look really crispy, wow. Auntie Pat does not give you full coverage at, like, ever. Ever. I have to mix powder with it for it to give me full coverage. It never does that. And I feel like this deserves some like liquid blush. So I'm gonna take my blush from MUA Cosmetics. It's blushed liquid cream in the shade Rouge. They sent this to me, but I don't actually know how much it is normally, maybe like £3-4. Like, MUA Cosmetics is never expensive, so I wouldn't expect it to be expensive. I'm just going to apply that because this is the kind of foundation that requires liquid blush for sure. Oh yes, hun. And I'm just going to take the brush that I used before from Mix and Blend Beauty and just further blend that out. Look at that, look at that, look at that. The people that might be thinking, what is the point in getting a basically watered down foundation? The point of it is for your everyday use. So it's for the girls that are running around, they've got a million and one things to do, but they want to look awake. Because you can apply it with your hands, like you can literally just go in on the train or wherever and just apply it as you're on the move. Like, it's also for the girls that, you know, like me, want to wear something in summer, but they have such oily skin that they don't want foundation to literally be streaming down their face. So they wear something like this that is a bit less full coverage, lightweight, your face is not going to be pouring with sweat. That's who it's for. Like, you don't just get watered down foundation for the sake of it. And it's for the girls that have been struggling like me to find their shade in a BB cream. Like, hun, let's be real, it's like for the babes like me. I don't have my shade in a BB cream unless I've not looked at all of them, but the ones in the drugstore are not for me.
I see you smiling when you looking at my face. Okay. I drop that booty, make it I sprinkle holy water on your face. You will bang 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 when you come tonight. I should do bang 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 bang. We can love tonight.
I'm just gonna go in very lightly with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Honey Powder. I really like the honey shade because it's nice and warm and it naturally like it keeps like the shade of my concealer all the time, so I'm just going to go in with that. I'm using a beauty blender from Remsco Creations to do this. These beauty blenders are amazing and they're only like $5.99 or something like that, so perfect. I'm just going to use the Toofaced Born This Way powder in shade Translucent Deep to set my face. I'm using a brush to do this. To bronze up my face, I'm of course going to go in with my Mocha Mami by Fenty. So I did have to go in off camera with my Bobbi Brown foundation stick just across my lip because I don't know what's happened there, but it's just getting darker and darker and it looked a bit weird. So I just did that there, but other than that I have not added anything else to my face other than some powder like you guys have seen. Just warming up my cheeks. Mocha Mami always brings the warmth. It always brings that girl, you know. Mocha Mami is just that girl, let's be real. Just going to do my eyes off camera and like set my face, and I will be back with my final thoughts and, you know, my final review of like the whole thing. Okay you guys, so this is the final look. I have, you know, put on my highlighter, put on my lip gloss, done my hair, you know, changed and everything, and I am just feeling like a thing. I'm just gonna like zoom you guys in so you can see the full look. I have no blurring effects on my camera, like nothing like that, so this is the pure like raw effect. So you can see that not everything has been covered, so I still have some like discoloration here, and like on this side you can see a little bit. I think in person you can see a little bit of my dark spots, but for the most part my face is feeling nice and light. I don't feel like I have anything on. My face looks nice and glowy like it always does, like when I do my normal foundation routine. It has just given the girls the coverage. I use so much less concealer than I normally would. It's actually crazy. And I literally just powdered my face. I didn't even use my finishing powder, the MAC one, like I normally do. I just literally put on the Toofaced and that was that. I didn't put any blush. I just used my Mocha Mami, and honey, if I do say so myself, I'm looking summer ready. Spring has sprung and I am ready to go and do my best, do the damage. I want to summer like I've never summered before. Fenty Beauty, if y'all watch this, you've sold me on this, and I'm gonna keep on buying it because I never thought I'd wear like a skin tint or like a BB cream or anything like that, but I'm definitely going to keep on repurchasing this. This is definitely like a summer foundation. This is on holiday foundation, but I'll definitely like change the shade because I'll get darker, right? Even on the days that I don't really want to wear foundation and I just want to like put my makeup on and be going, like say for they get the ring Ponder free and everyone's like, okay, like let's go cine, let's go to the cinema, like hun, give me 20 minutes, I'm ready. I would know if a foundation would be like super oily by the time I finished like the rest of my face and got dressed and stuff. Like my face will start to like show through with the oil, like I would know. This hasn't been showing the oil, and I'm gonna wear it for like a couple hours, but it's already the evening, so it doesn't really matter. I might do it again and like do a wear test with it. But yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll keep you guys up to date on like how it's going and how I'm really liking it. My Instagram will be listed right here. So yeah, make sure you follow, and if you like this video and if you want me to keep on making videos like this where I'm like trying new products, please subscribe, like, comment, share. It will help me so much, and share, spread the word that your girl is trying foundations for the girls, the dark skinned girls. I will try it out for the girls, okay? I so much love it. A banger. A total banger. Okay, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a great day, have a blessed evening, a blessed morning, a blessed day, whatever time it is. I love you all so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
In my condo, yeah, in my condo.